Here I have Samsung Galaxy F13, and today I'm going to show you how to enter download mode on this device. So firstly you have to turn off your Samsung, and after it turns off completely you have to hold down combination of keys, volume up and volume down, both keys at the same time, and while you hold them just connect USB cable which is connected to the computer. So basically just connect your phone to computer while you hold these both keys, and after that you will enter download mode. That's how it looks like. So here you can press volume up to continue, volume down to cancel, or side key to show barcode. So I don't know, let's see barcode. Wow. Then again we'll go back to download mode. So yeah, if you want to quit download mode, you just have to do as it says here, volume down key plus side key for more than 7 seconds, cancel, restart phone. So let's do it. Power key, volume down, more than 7 seconds. Let's get it. And device restarts. Are you going to restart? Okay. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.